Not sure which gasket will suit your application needs? In today's solutions video, we'll walk you through the process. Step 1. After you've filled in your contact info, tell us about the application and industry you are working with. Are you looking for torque values, safety data, products, or something more specific? Step 2. We need to know about the service and conditions of your application. Tell us about the operating temperature and pressure at minimum and maximum design. Step 3. What is the media? You can drill down to specifics if that information is available to you. Step 4. Now for the connection. Are you using a standard or non-standard flange? Either way, we've got you covered. Just be sure to add the bolting info along with the type of facing you are working with. We have many products that are certified, so let us know the specifications. We've also allowed space for you to add comments or special requirements. Our gasket application data forms are available to download and email back to us, or you can fill out the form directly from our website.